We just heard back from one of our happy customers who gave us a glowing 5-star review, so we thought we'd share it with the world. We're happy to say this is just one of the many reviews we get from our customers all the time. And this review is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and make sure our customers get the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. So let us put our thousands of hours of knowledge and experience and 5-star customer service to work for you today. We'd love the opportunity to earn a great review from you too. So why wait? Call us on the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.